Doesn't it annoy you that you have to use a different cable for Lightning and for micro USB? Wouldn't it be amazing if both of these could be in one cable? Introducing the ALDOM 2-in-1 USB cable. It charges both Lightning and micro USB in just one cable. The connector is specially designed to fit in both sockets, for Lightning and micro USB. Look, it charges micro USB Android phones. And it also charges Lightning iPhones. There are two different types. A rubber cable, which is flat and colourful, or a braided cable, which is round. The braided cables have durable metal plugs at both ends. If you're going on a trip and need to take some charging cables, just take ALDOM. If you're with your friends and need to charge everyone's phones, just take ALDOM. ALDOM charges all of your devices. With ALDOM, you can get rid of two cables and just use one. Normal cables always get tangled into knots, but not with the flat ALDOM cable. It never gets tangled. Get your ALDOM cable now.